Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Vlog number 7 na tayo. And for today's topic, we'll be discussing saan nga ba maganda ilagay ang emergency fund. So your money doesn't just sleep around. Kung ready na kayo, full ahead!
Like and subscribe.
Marami kasing pwedeng paglagyan ang emergency fund. Depende na rin ito sa strategy at gusto mong gawin. Pero personally, I suggest na ilagay mo lang ito sa low risk to fixed options. Dahil remember, hindi ito ang funds for investing. The goal is to make sure it's readily accessible. But at the same time, we want to maximize the interest it can earn habang di pa siya kailangan. Kung familiar kayo sa digital bankings, mataas sila magbigay ng interest rate compared sa traditional banks. Dahil most of them walang physical store. Except kay Cbank, I think meron na silang physical store sa Laguna. But before you deposit, make sure to check if the bank is a member of PDIC, Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. At syempre, kung registered din sila sa BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, to ensure your money is safe. Speaking of digital banks, let me share my personal experience with Cbank Philippines. I choose Cbank as a place to park of my emergency fund because of their great interest rate. When they first launched in the Philippines around 2021 or 2022, I think, they offered 6% per annum. Yes, 6%. And luckily, I was able to take advantage of that high interest rate. Pero ngayon, ang interest rate nila ay 4%. Let's check out their latest announcement. Starting today, January 9, 2025, account balances up to 400,000 will now earn 4% per annum interest rate. Any amount in excess, 400,000 will earn 3% per annum interest rate. Withholding tax still applies. Di na masama, di ba? Compared mo naman yan sa traditional banks na nagbibigay lang ng 0.0625% per annum. Withholding tax pa na 20% yan, ha? What I really like about Cbank is they offer 15 free transfers to other banks per week.
Amazing!
So you save on transaction fees. Naalala ko pa nun, nakasave ako ng almost 3K sa transfer fee. O diba, ang laki, saan pupulutin yun? They also provide both physical and virtual cards. So if you need to withdraw or use your money, it's super easy. In terms of security, I feel pretty safe with Cbank because they have random face verification when transferring funds. Aside from your usual password, Cbank Philippines, baka naman. The best part, the interest is debited daily. So you can see the growth of your emergency fund in real time. Here's a quick look at my net interest from Cbank since I started saving my emergency fund. Not bad, di ba?
Amazing!
So ikaw, saan mo nilalagay ang emergency fund mo? Comment mo naman sa baba. At kung nagustuhan mo at nakatulong itong video na to, you can use my referral code if decided ka na mag-open ng account. So here's my referral code, CF773780. Again, CF773780. At pares tayo makakuha ng free money from Cbank. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para mapansin naman din tayo na YouTube. So ayun lang, take care and be safe dahil may nag-aantay sa pag-uwi natin. And always remember, money is just a tool. Creating a better life is our end goal. Aja!
Like, comment, and subscribe.